Okay, so here we have Bosch spark plug double platinum as well, and this has the number FR6 MPP332. All right, FR6 MPP332, and this fits M111 compressor. It also fits the almighty Van 8, that's M113, that uses 16 plugs. Alright, the M113 uses 16 plugs and your M111 compressor uses just 4. So I think I have one opened, so let's check with this. Okay, so now let's have a look at how this works. Okay, so there's one here in particular. It has a 14mm thread, right? 14mm thread, right? That's the thread, right? The screw is a thread, and it's opened with a 16mm spanner, right? That's double platinum, right? So just take it in mind. When you're using M111 compressor, you need this double platinum spark plugs, right? So here you have it from Bosch R6, yes, from Bosch. Thank you.